is going to be a video about me and opening my Play-Doh surprise eggs. Let's start off with the yellow egg.
Okay.
Ooh, look what we got. A green dinosaur.
Green dinosaur, huh?
Let's open the white egg.
What's inside?
Ooh, looks like we got something red. Oh, so cute. A little boy mold.
Yep. And one was inside
Now
this
let's
one.
try the red egg. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
I'm just trying with that. Red egg.
You away.
Ooh, look. It's Izzy's headband from Jake and the Neverland Pirates. So cute.
Yep.
Thank you for watching my Play-Doh surprise egg video. Bye.
Now it's